Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So this is your Walgreens preview for the week of May the 5th to the 11th, and we have some sensational deals, including the very fancy Olay body wash for like $1 and some change, Dial for $1, and Arm & Hammer for $1.99 in this flyer. So this is going to be a very good week over at Walgreens. Don't forget to check your digital coupons folder at the very top. I had two different boosters. I think they both populated on Thursday morning. 7 back when you spend 30 on any merchandise, and a 10 back when you spend 40 specifically on allergy. The one down below, we will definitely investigate that one as a curbside offer to have bigger savings. If you could do me a huge kindness and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, it would really mean a lot to me if you could like this video. Thank you so much in advance. Please treat this video as a preview. The full ad, along with all of the digital coupons, will be in your Walgreens app on Sunday, May the 5th. Okay, so before we dive into the deals, on Thursday night I posted this video for the clearance event in a couple weeks over at the Dollar General. Unfortunately, this video didn't get posted till about 11 p.m. because I had such issues with uploading videos yesterday. I know you don't want to hear that story, but here's the deal, guys. There are some digital coupons matched with the clearance event that's happening May 10th, 11th, and 12th that are going to make them completely free. Dollar General is very famous for you can load coupons one week, the next week those same digital coupons are not there. If you are a staunch pharmacy shopper, if 7 freebies doesn't smack you in the head to say, hey, I need to go over there, it must be because 7 free items that I have basic matchups for. Very easy to follow video. I show you the exact coupons to load. I would recommend, even if you're a pharmacy shopper only, you might want to go to the Dollar General for these freebies. It's easy, and this clearance event will be the biggest one of the year. I am predicting it right now. Link this video at the very end. Back to Walgreens, we have our 30% off digital coupon, which is a store coupon. This has been reloading for me, so you use it and then go check your digital coupons folder. It should repopulate in the coupons folder area. 30% off of Walgreens products. I mean, that's fantastic. It's good next week. So we will definitely be investigating this again. And just look in your digital coupons folder if you've already used it. It should repopulate. And it's a lot like those My Walgreens coupons or the IVCs. Arm & Hammer is on sale for $1.99, which is definitely a deal of the week. I would call this a steal of the week because this is usually, like $7.99 for a bag of the pods or the liquid or the scent boosters. So grabbing 5, and yes, you can mix and match. It's $9.95 using $10 in Walgreens cash. As you're going to have a bit of tax bleed over into that, you probably can use $10 in Walgreens cash if you might have it. And then you're just going to pay the tax. And this is a deal with no booster. Unfortunately, there's an IBOTTA rebate for $2 back, but it's on the 24-ounce, not the 16-ounce scent boosters, so you can't get them for free. I've already looked at it. Sorry, guys. Look what I just found in the flyer. 99 cents for these 24 packs of the Walgreens Pain Reliever. That is a stock-up price if I've ever heard or seen of one. And if your store is cleared, don't be shy to go look at the pharmacy. Sometimes they're on the counter over at the pharmacy area. Another favorite deal is the buy one get 2 for free on the complete home food storage bags. Usually it's $2.79 for the first, and then you get 2 for free. So it shakes it out to 93 cents for a 20 count of these bags. Cheaper than the $1.25 store, so definitely a stock up price pour vu. Now we're going to be looking at the Olay body wash priced at $7. We have a 5 off 3 digital and then a $5 register reward when you buy 3. Plus IBOTTA, and there is no exclusions on my IBOTTA rebate with the use of digital coupons. Go into your fine print, but mine doesn't exclude it. Grabbing 3 of these, it's 21 on the nose. Subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay 16. Get back one $5 register reward. Photograph your receipt to IBOTTA for $3 back, making it $8 for the 3 or $2.66 per body wash. And if you're doing this deal with no booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. Okay, so the next deal that we're looking at includes a booster. We have a 7 back when you spend 30. So if you have the same one as I, perhaps a deal for you. We're going to be looking for 2 of these very fancy OLAY body washes for $12.99. And we have a 10 off 2 digital coupon, so make sure you have it loaded. IBOTTA is also giving back $2 for each. And there is no exclusion of coupons and this IBOTTA rebate in the fine print. And then we're also going to grab 2 of the Colgate products. And it's buy 2, get a $4 register reward back. So grabbing 2 of those fancy Olay body washes for $25.98, $9 in Colgate for a total of $34.98. Have your booster loaded, which is the 7 back when you spend 30. We have $15 in digital coupons coming off. I'm sure there's going to be extra for the Colgate. That's why I'm saying it's going to be a 5. Pay $19.98 with your debit card. And then you're getting back $7 in Walgreens cash for your spend 30, get back 7, $4 back from IBOTTA, $2 back each for each of those fancy body washes, and then a $4 register reward from Colgate, making it $4.98 for the 4 items or $1.24 per product. Do not use any store register rewards or Walgreens cash to pay down the balance as you're using a booster in this transaction. So now we have these Love's diapers, and this is a size 5 count, so please pay attention to that, for $17.99. A lot of us got this, which is a $5 digital coupon, so you guessed it, it's $12.99 for a box of Love's. And then Fetch Rewards also has this rebate back of 1,500 points when you spend 20, so we'll be like 75% there. Maybe yours is a lot less than mine, but here it is, $17.99. After the digital, it's $12.99, and then the Fetch app, photograph your receipt, and it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Okay, so another cheap dental care deal is with the Crest for $5 specifically. So grabbing 3 of them, that's 15 on the nose. We have a 5 off 3 digital. You'll pay 10, get back one $5 register reward, making it $5 for the 3 or $1.66 per product. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. And now the Dial body wash, that's 2 for $7, $5 reward when you buy 3, and we have a 2 off 2 digital coupon. We also have an IBOTTA rebate that does not exclude the use of coupons with the rebate. Double, triple check yours. Mine does not. Grabbing 3 of these, it's going to be $10.50. Subtracting that digital, you'll pay $8.50. $5 register reward you'll get back, plus 50 cents back from IBOTTA. It's only a one-time, making it 3 for $3 or $1 per body wash. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. This is kind of an interesting one. We have the Dove or Tresemme, $4 to $10, up to $5 coupon, and then a $5 reward when you buy 2. Grabbing 3 of those Doves for $12. I'm sure there's going to be some sort of high-value Dove shampoo coupon. Let's say it's the 5 off 3. Again, we have to double, triple check on Sunday morning. Pay $7, get back a $5 register reward. 2 for $3 or 66 cents per shampoo. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. But we got to double, triple check that flyer Sunday morning. Will they give us $2 off on each, or will it be a 5 off 3? I don't know. But there is no fine print in my preview, so we have to wait and see. Head and Shoulders, $6 shampoos we're going to be looking for. $5 reward when you buy 3, and we have a 3 off 2 digital. Grabbing 3 of them, guys, it's $18 at $6 each. Subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay $15, get back one $5 register reward, making it $10 for the 3 or $3.33 per shampoo. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Let's quickly look at some honorable mentions. The first one goes to the trash bags that are on a promotion of buy 1, get 2 for free. It's typically like $4.99 or $4.79 for the first, and the other 2 are for free. So yes, definitely a stock up price. We also have this promotion of a $5 store register reward when you buy 2. Carefree, I'm wondering if the smaller liners are included and they're BOGO 50% off. This potentially has room to be a deal. These fancier deodorants are buy 2, get back a $5 register reward. I'm wondering if one of the rebate apps might give us some sort of like nice rebate that you can use digital coupons with. The only way I can see really doing that deal is with some sort of high value rebate on one of the apps. And the Pepsi is 3 for $13.99. For one of these 12 packs, $9.99. So a little bit of savings there if you love Pepsi. And then the final food thing we're going to talk about is 2 for $10 with the Oscar Mayer bacon. That's a very good price point. You're getting a pound of bacon. And then 2 for $5 for my favorite, the Jif peanut butter. And the Smucker's fruit spread is also there listed. So if you need to stock up, you might want to check out some of the food products next week over at Walgreens. That's it for this video, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.